AI changed cybersecurity for defenders and for attackers. In 2025, AI tools can automate reconnaissance, generate realistic phishing and deepfakes, and even create polymorphic malware. Today I'll explain the top AI tool categories that hackers are using, why they're powerful, and, most importantly, how security professionals use the same tools to defend systems. This video is strictly educational and intended to help you learn defensive techniques and improve security awareness. Do not use anything in this video to commit wrongdoing. Unauthorized access, fraud, or malware distribution is illegal and unethical. Large language models have become a Swiss Army knife for attackers and defenders alike. Skilled testers use them to quickly craft proof-of-concept scripts and automate repetitive penetration testing tasks. The same capability in malicious hands helps generate exploit code and highly convincing social engineering text at scale. Ethical practitioners use large language models under strict rules and in controlled environments to identify weaknesses before real attackers do. One of the most alarming trends is AI-driven malware builders. These systems can create polymorphic payloads that change structure each time they're deployed, helping them avoid signature-based antivirus detection. For defenders, understanding these methods is critical. Red teams can simulate advanced threats in order to harden defenses and validate detection tools. This section aims to explain the risk and defensive responses, not to show how to build malware. Deepfake generators now produce hyper-realistic audio and video impersonations. Attackers exploit that capability for CEO fraud, voice-based social engineering, and sophisticated spear phishing. As viewers, you should be aware that voice or video requests alone are no longer sufficient verification. Defenders must layer authentication and train staff to recognize manipulation techniques. Again, these tools are discussed to improve awareness and prevention. Modern phishing kits use AI to write personalized messages and even clone sites that bypass filters. AI reconnaissance tools automate OSINT, collecting publicly available data to profile targets and identify weak points. The defensive takeaway is simple: reduce public exposure of sensitive data, enforce multi-factor authentication, and run realistic phishing simulations to train teams. Generative models, including GANs, are now used to accelerate password guessing by generating likely credential patterns. Steganography tools can hide malicious code in images or audio. From a security perspective, these trends reinforce two truths. Use strong, unique passwords with MFA, and improve content scanning and anomaly detection to catch hidden payloads before they execute. AI-controlled botnets can adapt their attack vectors mid-attack, making DDoS mitigation far more complex. Organizations should invest in resilient architectures, use scalable traffic scrubbing services, and test incident response with realistic attack simulations. The goal here is resilience, not panic. If you are learning cybersecurity or running a small business, here are safe, legal steps you can take today. Enforce strong, unique password and multi-factor authentication everywhere. Limit public exposure of employee data on social profiles and corporate pages. Run regular phishing awareness training and simulated tests with an authorized provider. Keep systems patched and monitor logs for unusual behavior. Use endpoint detection and response tools that rely on behavioral analysis, not only signatures. These steps reduce risk whether threats are human-driven or AI-assisted. To be clear, this video does not provide step-by-step instructions for building exploits, creating malware, or bypassing protections. The purpose is educational, to inform defenders, students, and security-conscious viewers about evolving AI threats and how to prepare. If you're interested in learning defensive skills, look for accredited ethical hacking courses, participate in CTFS, and always get permission before testing any systems. If this topic helped you understand current risks, like the video and subscribe to MRX Tech for more defensive security breakdowns, Linux tips, and ethical AI coverage. Drop a comment if you want a deep dive on any one tool class. I'll cover detection and mitigation techniques in future videos. Thanks for watching. Stay responsible, stay legal, and keep learning.